Practice speaking English. Love and compassion. Love makes us happy every day. When we love our family, our home becomes joyful. We say kind words like please, thank you, and sorry. I help my parents and grandparents because I love them. I care for animals and plants at home. I hug my parents to show my love. I listen to my elders when they talk. I help my mother and father with small chores. I share my things with my brother and sister. When I smile at home, everyone feels happy. I share my toys and food with my friends. I help my friends when they are sad. Kind words make our school a happy place. When I'm kind, my heart feels good. Love and compassion make everyone feel safe and loved. I cheer up my friend when they cry. I wait for my turn while playing games. I say sorry when I make a mistake. I clap when my friends do something good. I always use gentle hands and gentle words. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.